Hey Gary, I worked on your data today. Sorry I'm getting back to you a little bit late, but worked on the data and turns out that I was able to get it to work. Um, if we just search spatial join, um, you didn't do anything wrong in particular. It's just this match option down here you want to do. I think it's boundary touches or shares a boundary, shares a line. Yeah, shares a line segment with is what I ended up using, and it came out with, I believe, the result that you're looking for. These sections where you have these big fan features or terrace features, it still has, like, if we go to it, it has these sections that are not, they have, oh, where are you? Where are you? Okay, yeah, so that's what I'm seeing. I exported the data and the original stuff had null written out right here, but anyway, it doesn't have information for those, which corresponds to your spatial join because they don't necessarily share a line feature with your confined borders to clip, which is your, like, holds your stream length. But if you look here, so let's see, this has hill slope, bedrock, stream length of 2231, and if I click on the corresponding polygon right here, we have a stream length of 2231 and hill slope bedrock. The only thing that you should still consider after I've looked through this data is there's a few of these larger segments that actually, for some odd reason, they associate. So this one associated itself with this line right here, which is a bogus stream length distance right there, and probably a bogus T1, T2. So as you're going through and working with this data, I'll upload it to Box, but you want to make sure that some of your data will not match, right? So this one right here, for example, is right there. It picked up this segment, line segment right here, and so it's actually, you did classify it as a terrace with alluvium material, but since it's picking up this other line segment, it's hill slope colluvium. So what I would do is just stick with this T1, T2, because in the most part they'll correspond besides those particular examples. But I would just go through these ones and make sure that they tell the information that you're looking for. Other than that, all the segments that are along these polyline borders or confined borders, they are good to go. So hopefully that gets you a little bit further in your task, and let me know if you have any other questions. Thanks.